Please subscribe. The Fruit Fiesta Friends. In a magical orchard nestled between rolling hills and bubbling streams, there lived a group of talking fruits who loved to share the secrets of their goodness. Meet Apple Annie, Banana Ben, Cherry Charlie, Gracie Grape, and Oliver Orange, the Fruit Fiesta Friends. One sunny day, the friends gathered under the shade of the great oak tree for their annual Fruit Fiesta. The air was filled with excitement as each fruit prepared to showcase its unique benefits. Apple Annie. Hello everyone, I'm Apple Annie, and I'm packed with fiber to keep your tummy happy and healthy. Banana Ben. Hey there, I'm Banana Ben, the Energy King. I've got potassium to make your muscles strong and help you stay active. Cherry Charlie. Greetings, little ones. I'm Cherry Charlie, filled with antioxidants to keep your body strong and protect you from icky germs. Gracie Grape. Hi friends, I'm Gracie Grape, and I've got vitamins that are like little superheroes, helping your body grow and fight off illnesses. Oliver Orange. Salutations everyone, I'm Oliver Orange, and I'm bursting with vitamin C to give you a boost and keep your skin shiny and bright. As the Fruit Fiesta Friends shared their stories, the children in the orchard listened with wide eyes and curious smiles. They learned that each fruit was not just delicious, but also a superhero in its own way, offering a bounty of health benefits. Inspired by the Fruit Fiesta Friends, the children decided to create a rainbow fruit salad, combining the powers of Apple Annie, Banana Ben, Cherry Charlie, Gracie Grape, and Oliver Orange. With each bite, the children felt the magic of the fruits, knowing they were nourishing their bodies and making healthy choices. And so, under the great oak tree, the Fruit Fiesta Friends and the children danced, laughed, and celebrated the joy of being healthy. The orchard echoed with the laughter of friends and the sweet crunch of apples, creating memories that would last a lifetime.